when silence fills the air. A blank screen waits with patient care. My cursor moves a gentle trace. A world unfolds in lines of grace. I'm the weaver of the light, shaping dreams in black and white. With every stroke, a story grows in colors only the heart knows. Through shades and curves I find my way. From dusk till dawn I softly play. Each layer holds a secret sound, a universe